Dreo Radiator Heater. Dreo Oil-filled radiator heater is the ultimate all-rounder that gives you maximized warmth and comfort when the winter storm strikes. Sleek and modern, this heater uses extended fins and spindle-shaped openings to ensure a wide and even spread of warmth across your home. With a host of settings, this heater optimizes the efficiency to reduce your heating bills on cold days. If you're looking for a stylish, powerful and energy-efficient heater, Dreo Oil-filled heater is your ideal choice. Easy operation. Straightforward LED display and control panel offer a wide range of customizations in thermostat, 40 to 95, timer, 1 to 24 hours, heating mode, 1500W, 900W, 600W, eco, child lock and more. Control from sofa or bed. Remote control provides 19 feet access to all the functions of your heater. The mute function enables you to turn off the button sound at any time. Just sit back and embrace the warmth. 4 heating modes. Dreo Oil-filled radiator heater comes with 3 working modes: low, 600W, med, 900W, high, 1500W, and an extra eco mode to personalize your warmth during chilly days while preventing sky-high energy bills. Moves in all directions. The recess at the oil heater back makes it easier to pull or push. With the universal wheels you can move the Dreo oil heater to anywhere you want, like garage, basement and so on. Tool-free assembly. The package contains 4 casters that make your heater stand stable and convenient to move around. Just pull apart the bottom brackets, insert the casters, and press them into the holes. No tools needed. Premium diathermic oil. The internal oil features high purity. It neither ignites at 446 degrees Fahrenheit nor loses its flowability even at -0.4 degrees Fahrenheit. This space heater is completely sealed and the oil never evaporates or disappears. No refill and change needed forever. Up to 300 square feet. Heating for whole room. 1500W high power. Spindle-shaped openings and M-shaped heating fins create stack effect to provide 360 degrees efficient circulation of hot air in rooms up to 300 square feet, keeping your home cozy and warm without drying out the air. Dreo Oil Radiator Heater is your best go-to in winter. Feel heat faster. The spindle-shaped openings, 225mm larger than others, enlarged fins and dual U-shaped heating tubes make the Dreo Oil Radiator Heater so effective in distributing heat that the heat can be doubled and released quickly, evenly and efficiently to a large area or the entire room. Cool touch design. With the wraparound heating fins design, the heating element and fins are not directly exposed, preventing burn risks. The exteriors are also specially treated to be only at 80 at most during use, 30% less hot to the touch than most oil heaters. Enhanced safety. Dreo Oil-filled radiator heater made of V0 flame retardant materials was certified by OM. Built-in tip-over switch. Dreo Oil-filled heater will automatically shut off while tip-over by accident to ensure you and your family are safe and worry-free. Energy efficient. Equipped with 600W, 900W, 1500W heating modes, this space heater also features a smart eco mode that adjusts the working mode based on the room temperature with built-in precise temperature sensor, continuously keeping your home in constant warmth while saving more on your energy bills in winter. Easy to use. A remote is included to allow you to mute, set a timer, and access other functions of this oil-filled radiator heater from 19 feet away. Universal wheels make moving this big guy a breeze. Assembly is super easy. Just open the bottom brackets and insert the wheels directly. No tools needed. Warm before arriving home. Dreo Oil Radiator Heater comes with a 24-hour timer. You can set the timer in 1-hour increments. Not only can you set the auto off time, you can also set the auto on time while on standby. Always stay warm when at home. This is not an instant heater, it is slow to heat a room, but once there it is amazing at holding temp. It is quiet and you do not even know it is on except for an occasional click as it turns on and off. It is sturdy, well built and safe. It does get hot, not enough to burn you but hot. Don't know what else to say. Well built, quiet, safe, and it works great if used correctly. If you want to buy this product, clicks on the down link present in description. Please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon button.